So these are the readings which we got yesterday on 9th May 2020. Uh, we had erected a pole vertical to the ground, and we took measurements of the tip of the shadow at different time intervals. That we started at 11 a.m. and we marked the tip of the shadow, which was here. At 11:18, the tip of the shadow of the stick reached here, and so on. And as you see, at 12:13 was the time when the shadow was not visible at all. This is the time of the zero shadow, 12 o'clock 13 minutes. And then it started growing, and we continued it up to 12:45 in the afternoon. And with this, you would notice that all these points are lying in a straight line. And if we repeat this experiment on some other days, that is, say today and tomorrow and so on, you will see that they will not come in a straight line. They'll come on a straight line only on the 2 days, the 2 zero shadow days for our specific latitude. And into 2020, for Hyderabad, it happens to be on 9th May and then on 1st August. Okay, so what do we do with this? We can connect these points using connect these points. So I'm using a scale to do that, and this will be the east-west line. East is here, and this is our west. This is the true east and true west. And to get the true north and south, we just need to intersect this line. So what we have learned in school, we can just bisect this line, take a compass, and then so we'll have to draw that curve further to get this point of intersection, and we can join the midpoint from where we drew this. To get the north-south line. So this would be our north. This is the direction of true north and south in east and west. Suppose we repeat this experiment today. We would notice that at the time when the sun is overhead, we would find a small shadow, and the next day the shadow at the local noon would be larger and larger, and even these lines would not fall in a straight line. So I would expect that after a week or so, if we plot, we would get points of this kind. We will get these points which would come as a curve at different times of the day. And if we connect this by a curve, and it would not be a straight line like we have it on the day of the zero shadow, but we would have a curve. And this curve keeps changing to a more and more steeper curve, as days pass, all the way up till 21st of June or so. And then it would start moving back, and after September, after for Hyderabad, after August 1st, this curve would come this way. And then each time, whenever you are taking observations, you can just bisect this curve. If suppose we had taken it, say, on 20th of May, and this was the curve we had got, then I bisect the curve and get these 2 points, and again if you repeat the same thing, join it, you will get the north-south line. Once you have the north-south line, you have, so this will be south and north and east and west. So this is the way of finding the true north and true south. You can verify this using a mobile compasses if you have those, but the way you can get north and south by this method, it gives you the exact one. Your compasses may be wrong, your phones may give certain errors, but this way, if it is accurately done, this will give you the true north and true south perfectly. So I hope you can repeat this experiment again someday and see that you get a curve of this kind. And after August 1st, if you do it, you will get a curve on the other side. It will come somewhere here. So I hope you enjoyed this exercise and hope you did it yourself. Okay, bye.